He is perked up a lot tonight. Actually had his eyes open for a little bit and chirped a little bit, and he's actually been opening his mouth to eat, although I just finished up feeding him, so I'm not sure he will again. What I've been feeding him is, I changed it a little bit, and it's just the puppy chow, and I just soaked it in water until it's soft, but still hard enough that I can pick up with tweezers. And then I just drop those in. And he or she seems to be doing better with that. Want any more? Or are we done? You can see his little feathers coming in on his wings and tail. But pretty much every 20 minutes I come in here and his mouth is open and he's just sitting there waiting. Not real vocal though, but I don't know if that's because he's not competing with a bunch of other baby birds, or if he's just because he's always fed. Doesn't really have to ask for it. And yeah, his nesting thing needs to be cleaned up. As soon as he eats, it comes out the other end. Done. Sometimes just the light on them makes them want to eat. I think that associated with the sunshine after mom's off the nest going to get them food. He's almost done for the night. Luckily they don't eat all night. Take a small break during the dark hours. Alright, I just wanted to give another video of him. Maybe tomorrow his eyes will be open enough that you guys will be able to tell in the video. I'll take another one of them then. Until then, Mr. Wobbles is probably going to sleep after I get his nest fixed.